This particular customer had us come out and take a look at her kitchen. She had outdated cabinets. She did have a granite countertop and a granite backsplash, which too were outdated. She had an awning window that was leaking seals, which were bringing cold drafts into her kitchen. So she wanted us to incorporate a new window with the kitchen project as well. She also mentioned if we could take a look at her floors while we were out there, because they also were a little beat up, and she was trying to incorporate this all into one project. So this customer chose a Mauser cabinet, which is a higher end cabinet, really excellent finish, really strong built boxes with soft close doors, soft close drawers. She chose a caribou finish. She chose to go with 42-inch uppers, and then we topped it off with a nice 4.5, 5-inch crown. She also went with a Cambria quartz countertop. Quartz is a man-made product. It's very durable. It's very maintenance-free, and it just adds to the beauty of the cabinets. We actually did a beautiful glass backsplash tile to tie everything together. We also added some under cabinet lighting, and for this customer who liked the choice of toe kick lighting, a lot of people use the toe kick lighting. It's good for like a night light. It's good for accent lighting. It's LED, so it's very low watt, and it really just sets off the total look. We also added a beautiful Pella window, which is a casement window with a hidden screen. So when the window's closed, she has a clear view, and when she wants to open it, she can just slide the screen down into place. You know, we also refinished her floors into a beautiful fruit wood finish, which complements the caribou finish on the cabinets. She also added the LaGrange GFCI fixtures, and she also got a motion LaGrange fixture as well. You could just wave your hand in front of and turn on the lights in the room. And we did end up putting in a beautiful handrail with glass panels that really set the whole tone as you walk in the door. At the end of this project, especially in the kitchen project, this customer was so happy she had got all of her high-end finishes, her high-end appliances, and the total end of the project turned out to be absolutely astounding.